dear students. As you all know, we have started this third chapter, how the state government works. We are proceeding with this chapter. In the last video yesterday, we discussed about the functions of the state government, how we are studying about the election of MLAs, okay, members of Legislative Assembly. So first you have to understand, yesterday already we have discussed, but again I am revising it for your reference so that you there is no doubt in your understanding. What we discussed was constituency. Now in this topic, what we are discussing is the constituencies of Himachal Pradesh. We have taken one state as an example, and we are carrying on with this example in the whole chapter. So we have started this chapter now. The whole state, like UP, is a very big state. In UP, the constituencies are far more in comparison to Himachal Pradesh. In Himachal Pradesh, the whole state is divided into 68 constituencies. Okay, children. Now, what's a constituency? This is a constituency, this is a constituency, this is a constituency. Okay, so like UP mein, if the elections are happening in UP, there are more than 100 constituencies, being a very big state. So now we are, abhi जैसे मैं हूँ, ठीक है, again try to understand the example. I'm giving my example. I am a person, I am a voter. I have to go to give the vote, okay? And I will be voting the candidate who is from the Varanasi constituency. ठीक है? Varanasi is also a constituency. Constituency is that place from where the people are giving vote to the candidates. Okay? So in this constituency, I would be considered as a voter. So when the elections will happen, so I will go to vote. Okay, there is the polling booth. In the last elections, I have always been going for the voting, and this is very important. What happens when there are elections? When the elections happen, there are some people who go for vote. Then there are some people who celebrate the election day as a holiday. Ah, chutti hai. No, this is the biggest mistake that we do. Getting a voting right is a very big privilege. ये बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है. It is a privilege to go and give vote. But children, can you vote? No, my dear children, you cannot vote because the voting age is 18 years. Okay? So when the voting happens, so being in Varanasi constituency, I will go to give the vote, and for voting I have to go to the polling booth. Okay? Now, when I'll go to the polling booth, in this polling booth, I will be seeing that how many candidates are there. The abhi to there are electronic voting machines. I think you all have read it in the last year. Previously, what used to happen, there was no voting machines, so there was ballot box. एक box होता था, वहाँ पे there was one शेड में, जहाँ पे जाके आई विल बी वोटिंग, एंड एक शीट मुझे दे दी जाएगी वेयर ऑल द कैंडिडेट्स नेम्स आर देयर एंड द सिंबल इज देयर. सो सपोज आई हैव टू वोट फॉर एनी पार्टी, एनी कांग्रेस है, चाहे बीजेपी है, और बीएसपी इज देयर और एसपी इज देयर. सो विच एवर पार्टी आई वॉन्ट टू वोट, उस कैंडिडेट का नाम वहाँ पे मेंशन है. एंड द कैंडिडेट आई प्रेफर, जिनको मुझे लगता है कि हु कैन रियली सर्व द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी, उनको मैं वोट दूंगी. इट्स अ बिग responsibility to choose a leader, because as a member of the Indian UP state and Varanasi constituency, I have to see that the leader who is elected is a very deserving candidate, a person who can really think about the betterment of the Indian people, um, how this change will happen, who are the people who will be looking after the working of the city. वर्किंग मीन्स क्या, पानी नहीं आ रहा है, इलेक्ट्रिक की व्यवस्था नहीं है, गैस नहीं है, एलपीजी सिलेंडर, मेनी टाइम्स इट हैपेंस इज अ क्राइसिस फॉर एलपीजी सिलेंडर आल्सो. तो cleanliness is not there. I move out in the morning, I go to the school, so I see that garbage is lying here and there. हर जगह गंदगी है, साफ सफाई वाला नहीं. This is all the work of the MLAs. Roads are not constructed. There are no proper facilities for the people at the railway stations. Everything that is meant for the betterment of the members of any place or any constituency, that is the responsibility of the MLA. ठीक है. अभी MLA के लिए there are the candidates who can contest the elections. These people who are contesting the elections, there are certain eligibility criteria, कुछ conditions होते हैं, then only they can contest the elections. तो यहाँ पे we have taken the example of Himachal Pradesh. Children, I have already marked which places are the constituencies. पूरे स्टेट को छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है, and the people who are living in these places, they will be voting accordingly. Okay, that is how the working of the constituency happens. Okay, तो ये तो हमने कर लिया था. Then we have seen, we have discussed about the election results of 2017. It's not a very old thing. अभी 2020 is going on. It's just 2 years, three years back this election had happened, and in this election the party which has won, BJP. And what was the criteria of the winning of this party? On what basis this party has made the government? So 68 seats are there. 68 का आधा कितना होता है? It is 34. So if any party has to make their own government, so what do they do? When the voting happens, then they have to see that at least 34 candidates have won. जो जो constituency, ठीक है, वाराणसी से भी बीजेपी के कैंडिडेट अगर हैं एंड ही हैज वन, देन देर इज गोरखपुर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी, देर इज लखनऊ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी, डिफरेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज आर देयर. तो व्हेन वन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी द इलेक्शंस हैपन, so it is seen that the people in the nearby areas also give the votes accordingly to the candidates who are standing, who have taken part in the election, who are standing as a candidate. Okay, so this elections had happened and BJP had won how many seats? 44 seats have been won by BJP. So they formed the government. You can see it is mentioned here. The political party that has to gain a majority was 34. 68 का आधा है ना 34. So if any country, if any constituency is there and the members have got half of the seats, okay, so they can easily they can make their own government. Everybody wants to come, everybody wants, all the parties want to be in the government. Who doesn't want power? Because coming in power is always a privilege. So this power, this is decided by the candidates who are voting. So as a person, as a voter, it's my right, it's my prerogative to decide whom I will be voting. Nobody can force me. कोई भी मुझे आके force नहीं कर सकता है. They can just appeal, they can just हाथ जोड़ के मुझसे कह सकते हैं कि प्लीज मुझे वोट दीजिएगा, बट nobody can force me कि जब आप मेरे को ही वोट देना and all that. Okay, so among the opposition, the people who have won, they will be sitting in the legislative assembly, like we are in UP. Okay, so UP में legislative assembly कहाँ पे है? It is in Lucknow. It is mostly in the capital city. हिमाचल प्रदेश का capital city क्या, capital city कौन सा है? शिमला. So this is in Shimla. These members who are elected, they would be sitting and they would be carrying on their work. Okay, the members 68 सीट्स पे इलेक्शंस हुए हैं. 44 सीट्स आर वन बाय बीजेपी. हु हैज वन द अदर सीट्स? ओके, अभी भी कितने सीट्स बचे हुए हैं? 20 सीट्स आर देयर. So the people who have won the seat but they could not form the government because they have not got the majority. Majority नहीं मिली है, so that's why they won't be forming the government. But then ऐसा नहीं है कि उनका पावर कम हो जाता है. They are also powerful people. They will be also sitting in the they won't be sitting in the government, they won't be making the government, but definitely they would be they would be sitting in the opposition. Opposition का काम क्या है? What is the work of the opposition? Just see. Like इसमें क्या था? There was Congress was the major opposition party. Okay. Opposition party has also got lot of responsibilities. It's not that कि they are sitting in the opposition तो उनका कोई काम नहीं है. No, they are the ones who keep a check on the work of the government. अभी 44 members who have made the government for बीजेपी के members जो हैं उनको अगर कोई रोकने टोकने वाला नहीं होगा, if nobody is there to keep a check on their activity, whether facilities are provided to the common people or not, opposition always goes and interacts with these common people कि बीजेपी को आपने वोट दिया है, इज बीजेपी वर्किंग एनफ फॉर यू? क्या वो अच्छे से काम कर रहे हैं? अभी उनके काम में कोई कमी तो नहीं है, और अगर कोई कमी रह गई है तो उसको किस तरह से पूरा करेंगे, और आप क्या चाहते हैं, गवर्नमेंट को क्या क्या और करना चाहिए? देन दे गो एंड देन दे प्रोटेस्ट. That is what, when we started the chapter, remember those two girls who were going from the school on a bicycle, they are going back to their home. तो रास्ते में they have seen this opposition leader opposing the government. Why? Remember, so many people have died because of diarrhea. पानी की कमी थी. You are staying in a state, you are, suppose I am staying in Varanasi constituency, और सप्लाई का जो वाटर है वो 3 दिन में एक बार अगर आएगा तो क्या होगा? आई वुड बी ऑल द टाइम थिंकिंग अबाउट वाटर कि ओ गॉड, पानी कहीं खत्म नहीं हो जाए, पानी कहीं खत्म नहीं हो जाए. माई मेजर टेंशन वुड बी storing water, more and more water. Can you imagine life without water? No, my dear children. uh, there are countries where there is I mean less of water, तो लोगों को उसी तरह से रहने की आदत पड़ जाती है. But then with a country like India, with abundance of water, we are very used to use water on a very large scale. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वाटर हम यूज़ करते हैं तो हमको पानी की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. Now elections are over. MLAs belonging to the ruling party, they meet at one place and then they decide that who will be the chief minister. ठीक है. नाउ सपोज क्या, यूपी में इलेक्शंस वेर देयर एंड बीजेपी हैड वन मेजॉरिटी सीट्स, and then there was the this party meeting, BJP party meeting, and there it was decided that Yogi Adityanath would be the chief minister. Decisions were taken, suggestions were given by the prime minister, honorable prime minister Mr. Narendra Modi, एंड अदर बीजेपी पावरफुल लीडर्स. सो सारे लोग मिलके बैठ के डिसाइड करते हैं, एंड देन हियर ऑन इट वाज डिसाइडेड दैट द योगी आदित्यनाथ वुड बी द मिनिस्टर, चीफ मिनिस्टर. तो चीफ मिनिस्टर अपॉइंट हो गए. नाउ चीफ मिनिस्टर हैव टू वर्क फॉर द अपलिफ्टमेंट ऑफ द स्टेट. उनको देखना है, he is the one who is responsible for the betterment of the state. State should function properly. इसकी पूरी पूरी जिम्मेदारी चीफ मिनिस्टर पे होती है. So the chief minister has to be very active all through, and after the elections it is the governor who appoints the chief ministers. Children, I have just revised whatever we have done yesterday. Now we are moving further. What is the role of the chief ministers and other ministers? They run the government departments, ministries. They have separate offices. Water requirements are fulfilled by some group. Some group look after the electricity arrangements. Other people look after the. There are ministers who are the petroleum minister. Um, um, the HRD minister, the people who look after the education. So different departments are there which are given to different ministers. Got it? So some MLAs have dual responsibilities. दो तरह के काम मिलते हैं उनको. One as an MLA and other as a minister. पहले तो वाराणसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी से द पर्सन हु हैज वन द इलेक्शंस, ओके, जो कि हु इज द एमएलए, और उसके बाद अगर उनको कोई मिनिस्टर बना दिया गया तो उनको अपना मिनिस्ट्री की भी ख्याल रखना है. दे हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ द वाराणसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी ऑल्सो, एंड देन दे हैव टू सी दैट द डिपार्टमेंट विच इज गिवन टू देम, दे आर लुकिंग आफ्टर दैट डिपार्टमेंट प्रॉपरली. आगे इसके बारे में हम और पढ़ेंगे. वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट इट फर्दर. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ just check. The head of the state is the governor, and he is appointed by the central government. Who appoints the governor? Governor is appointed by the central government to ensure that the state government is working properly. Central government में किसकी सरकार है? Central government is again ruled by the BJP. So they are the ones who have decided who will be the governor in the in UP, and they are the ones who make it very clear and who ensure that the state government is working efficiently. ऐसा नहीं हो कि उनके काम में किसी भी तरह का कोई लैप्स हो. हाँ, कोई भी देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी मिस्टेक in the work that these people are doing, the government is doing. So they keep a check on that. Constitution के हिसाब से काम हो रहा है. The ministers who are there, they कोई भी अपनी मनमानी नहीं कर रहा है. They are working according to the rules and regulations mentioned in the constitution. Who keeps a check on that? Opposition तो is already there, but then the people who really take care of this is the governor. Governor keeps a check on that. So who is the governor of the state? Children, you have to find it out. Just check that you find it out, and please discuss it with me in the class. I would be happy. Now what happens, कभी कभी क्या होता है, the ruling party is not just one party. Suppose अभी I'll cite you an example. हिमाचल प्रदेश में the elections that had happened, 68 seats में से 68 constituencies were there. Out of that, 34 seats were to be procured by any party. Here BJP has made the government. Suppose, मान लो BJP would have got 30 seats. समझ रहे हो? BJP had got only 30 seats. तो they want to make the government. Government बनाने के लिए how many more seats do they need? They need 4 more seats. And where will they be? They getting these seats? So what do? They join hands with the some other party. बाकी के पार्टी के भी तो लोग इलेक्शन, भाई 30 सीट इनको मिली है तो बाकी की सीट्स भी किसी ना किसी को तो मिली होगी. 44 सीट्स इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन डिफरेंट पार्टीज. सो दे विल से कि प्लीज ज्वाइन विथ अस, 34 सीट्स हो जाएंगी तो वी कैन आराम से मेक द गवर्नमेंट. तो पार्टीज देन से 3-4 पार्टीज दे विल से ओके वी विल सपोर्ट यू, ऑल आवर सपोर्ट वी विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग यू, बट देन प्लीज गिव अस द फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री. ओके, अब आप किसी और पार्टी के मेंबर को यू वांट टू ज्वाइन इन योर ओन पार्टी, तो दे विल पुट फोर्थ देयर ओन पॉइंट्स ना, वो अपनी शर्तों पे आपको ज्वाइन करेंगे. दैट इज देयर. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड व्हेन टू पार्टीज टुगेदर मीट एंड देन फॉर्म अ गवर्नमेंट, इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ कोएलिशन. कोएलिशन व्हेन 2 or 3 पार्टीज कम टुगेदर, कांग्रेस के 2 मेंबर्स आ गए, बीएसपी के 2 मेंबर्स आ गए, कुछ और भी मेंबर्स हैं हु से कि हाँ हाँ वी आर रेडी टू ज्वाइन बीजेपी. तो 3 or 4 parties when meet together and make a government, then it is called as a coalition. So chief ministers are there, and then they carry on their functions. We will read about this further. आगे अभी हम इसके बारे में और भी पढ़ेंगे. Now we will understand the working of the Legislative Assembly. Just see. A debate in the Legislative Assembly. Legislative Assembly is there. कहाँ पे है Legislative Assembly? यूपी का कहाँ पे है? Just now I told you it is in Lucknow. So these members who are sitting in the Legislative Assembly, जिसको हिंदी में हम विधान सभा कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं? विधान सभा. So these students who are there in school, in their school, they travel to the state capital. जो कैपिटल है, स्टेट का कैपिटल है. लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली इज ओनली वन इन अ स्टेट. देयर कैन नॉट बी 2 or 3 legislative assemblies. Always remember, legislative assembly is always situated in the capital city of the state. So these students who are there in their school organizes a visit to the legislative assembly. So they visit the legislative assembly, and the building is very beautiful. All Lucknow, maybe when you go, please make a time and find out a time to go and visit this legislative assembly. Children, we are very excited. If you we are in Varanasi, Lucknow में जाके legislative assembly देखना. अभी तो children, there are different times. But in future, whenever you get a chance to go to Lucknow, you can definitely visit the legislative assembly. तो आफ्टर सिक्योरिटी चेक दे वेर टेकन अपस्टेयर्स. वहाँ पे ऊपर में, नीचे में क्या होता है कि यू गो टू द फर्स्ट फ्लोर, एंड इन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर ऑल द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली आर कैरिड ऑन. एंड चारों तरफ गैलरी बनी होती है. नीचे में बैठ के द elected members, the ministers who are there, they sit and have discussions इन द गैल इन द वेल. नीचे में पूरा एक कमरा होता है, और उस कमरे के ऊपर में बालकनी बनी होती है, जहाँ पे कि आपको बैठा के दिखाते हैं कि नीचे में हाउ द मिनिस्टर्स आर सिटिंग एंड हाउ द डिस्कशंस आर हैपनिंग. So a gallery is there. They could see the large hall that is there below, and there were rows and rows of desks. बहुत सारे. You might have seen the parliament, राज्यसभा एंड लोकसभा टीवी. कभी आपको मौका मिले तो टेलीविजन पे इट इज कमिंग. दूरदर्शन पे कितनी बार दिखाया गया है कि पार्लियामेंट में डिस्कशंस हैव हैपेंड. देखो, पार्लियामेंट इज डिफरेंट. पार्लियामेंट इज द प्लेस वेयर द सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर्स सिट. द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट वर्किंग हैपन्स. वो उनको स्टेट मतलब स्टेट गवर्नमेंट फंक्शनिंग इज लुक्ड आफ्टर बाय द चीफ मिनिस्टर, एंड द कंट्रीज गवर्निंग इज लुक्ड आफ्टर बाय द प्राइम मिनिस्टर. So the prime minister is responsible to look after the complete working and functioning of the country. That happens from parliament. तो parliament के sessions जब होते हैं, these sessions are very clearly shown in the television at times. कभी कभी आपको television पे ये जरूर नजर आएंगे. Okay? तो large hall is there below, and the children are sitting upstairs. वहाँ से वो देख रहे हैं. So many desks were there, and यहाँ पे असेंबली में देयर वॉज गोइंग टू बी अ डिबेट. देयर इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम गोइंग ऑन ना. रिमेंबर, सो मेनी पीपल हैव डाइड बिकॉज ऑफ डायरिया and acute shortage of water. So how this water shortage would be met, and how the problem of the people would be solved, ये सारी चीज़ें वहाँ पे डिस्कस होने वाली थी. तो at this time what happens when such sessions are held, जब इस तरह के मीटिंग्स होती हैं, तो एमएलएज एक्सप्रेस देयर ओपिनियन, अपना आइडियाज देते हैं. वो फ्रीक्वेंटली दे गिव देयर ओपिनियंस and ask questions also related to the issue. Means the burning issue that was going on at that time was the health issue of the people. आम आदमी को के हेल्थ से रिलेटेड जो प्रॉब्लम थी, वो सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी. तो questions were asked related to this issue, and they have to give the suggestions about what should be done to the government. Means opposition party asks the government, कि so many people are dying, what is the government doing? Okay, and those who wish to can respond to this, and the ministers who are there, they give answers, they are answerable to the opposition. ऐसा नहीं है कि opposition ने अगर कोई सवाल पूछा तो government will keep quiet. The ministers who are there, they have to answer the questions of the opposition, and that is the work of the opposition. They keep a check on the work of the government. If they are unable to answer, it shows the inefficiency of the work of the government. वो कह देंगे आपको लोगों ने इलेक्ट किया, आपने अपनी गवर्नमेंट बना दी, और काम क्या किया? आप कुछ भी काम नहीं कर रहे हो, लोग मर रहे हैं, आप लोग बैठ के आराम से देख रहे हो. Got it? So minister then replies. It's the responsibility of the ministers that reply to the questions and tries to assure the assembly. They give assurance. They ensure that the allegations that are put on them, उनके ऊपर जो भी इल्जाम लगाया जा रहा है, वो सारे इल्जाम गलत है. They have to prove that they are working properly. कैसे होता है ये? Just see. The chief minister and the other ministers, they have to take decisions and run the government. For that purpose they have been elected by the people. आम आदमी ने उनको इलेक्ट किस लिए किया है? खाली पैसे कमाने के लिए थोड़ी ही. अगर इलेक्ट किया है तो इट इज देयर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू लुक आफ्टर द वेलफेयर एंड द वेलबींग ऑफ द पीपल. We see them in the news channel, and we hear about them, and read about them in the papers. लेकिन whatever decisions are taken have to be approved by the members of the legislative assembly. Decisions cannot be taken on their own. In democracy, the members who are sitting in the legislative assembly, all the members who are there, they can ask questions and debate on important issues. अभी like corona का भी जैसे कि very big time is going on, and corona needs to be sorted out. How the problem of corona would be solved? The members meet in the assembly, they sit together, they discuss about it, because it is not a simple thing, it is a very big issue, and everybody needs to be on their toes. एक दो लोगों के बस की बात नहीं है. I mean, facing such a big crisis, solving the problem of the people, it's not a very simple thing to be done. Everybody has to be united to fight this big crisis. Got it? So the members can ask questions. Debates are important, and where the money is to be, and the people who form the government, they have to be very sure, and they have to they have to ensure that whatever money they are spending, जितना भी पैसा वो स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, all that money, उसका हिसाब किताब रखना पड़ता है. बिकॉज एनी बडी कैन आस्क, इनसे कोई भी पूछ सकता है कि यू हैव स्पेंड 1 crore रुपीज हियर, हाउ डिड यू स्पेंड 1 crore रुपीज? पैसे का हिसाब किताब, बिकॉज दे आर द मिनिस्टर्स, तो दे कैन स्पेंड मनी फॉर सॉल्विंग सम प्रॉब्लम्स, लेकिन देन दे हैव टू गिव एन आंसर. पूरा हिसाब किताब देना पड़ता है कि इफ 1 crore रुपीज इज स्पेंड, देन वेयर इज दैट मनी स्पेंड. गॉट इट? They have the main authority, but then they have to keep a check. Abhi first MLA is standing, and now he starts speaking. MLA is saying, in my constituency of Akhand Gaon, इनकी constituency मतलब जैसे हमारा वाराणसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी, इन द सेम वे अखंड गांव नाम की भी एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी, नाम है ये, दिस इज अ नेम. नाउ डोंट लुक फॉर मीनिंग. ठीक है? यू ऑल स्टार्ट आस्किंग मीनिंग. मैम अखंड गांव का मतलब क्या है? इट इज नॉट, इट गांव है. ड्यूरिंग लास्ट 3 weeks देयर आर 15 डेथ बिकॉज ऑफ डायरिया. मतलब 15 लोग मर चुके हैं बिकॉज ऑफ डायरिया. Diarrhea, again, I'm telling you children, I told you in the last class also, it is caused because of the loss of water in the body. जब शरीर में पानी की कमी हो जाती है, then people die. So the MLA is saying that it is a shame that this government, the government which has been formed, has not been able to check the situation. Matlab, such a big crisis is going on, and they don't know that 15 people have died. What have they done? And government is unable to check the situation of a simple problem like diarrhea, and the government says ki they are very good, they are champion of technology, technically they are very advanced. खाली बोलने के लिए बोल रहे हैं? अगर इतना बड़ा काम है, if they are doing such a big work, तो I would call the attention of the minister in charge of health. Health minister होते हैं ना, you know, so he is the first MLA, he is questioning the health minister. 15 people have died. What has the government done? So he said that immediate measures should be taken to control this situation, and the crisis that is there, that crisis needs to be solved. Second MLA, एक MLA बोल के बैठ जाते हैं. The first MLA will say and he will sit down. MLA 2 says, my question is, सारे लोगों, because you know government, I told you ना that the government, when the government is formed, so people who are there as ministers, their task is very tough. एक तो उनको अपना काम करना पड़ता है, प्लस दे हैव टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन. हाँ, बहुत ध्यान से काम करना पड़ता है, ये नहीं कि मनमानी कर रहे हैं. दैट इन सच अ बैड सिचुएशन, why government is not appointing proper doctors? There has to be doctors who are looking after and taking care of the common people, and other medical staff in the district, why they have been not appointed. And I would also like to know how government plans to deal with this situation. Means such a big health crisis is there, what is the government doing to come out of this situation and solve this situation? Two MLAs have questioned, because members of legislative assembly are there, they have to question the government, and they have to keep a check on the work of the government. So just see, a large number of people and their health is affected. So diarrhea is spreading on a very large scale. Diarrhea is spreading on such a large manner. What is the government doing, and how is the government planning to solve this problem? They said this is an epidemic. Epidemic means जो बहुत जल्दी फैलता है. कोरोना is not an epidemic. Epidemic नहीं है ये. It is a pandemic. एक आदमी से बीमारी 100 लोगों को फैलती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ पेंडेमिक. एपिडेमिक मीन्स इफ वन पर्सन इज इन्फेक्टेड, एक आदमी को अगर बीमारी हुई है तो उसके साथ जो 3-4 लोग रह रहे हैं उनको ये बीमारी हो सकती है. लेकिन कोरोना इज नॉट एन एपिडेमिक, इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ पेंडेमिक. पेंडेमिक मीन्स वन पर्सन इफ कैचेस कोरोना, ही कैन स्प्रेड, ही और शी कैन स्प्रेड इट टू 100 पीपल. 100 लोगों को हो सकता है. तो दैट इज़ अ वेरी क्राइसिस सिचुएशन. बीमारी की बात हो रही थी चिल्ड्रन, सो इट केम टू माई माइंड, आई जस्ट शेयर इट विथ यू दैट इन सच अ क्राइसिस सिचुएशन it is very difficult to solve the problem, but then we have to face it, and we have to see that the working is happening in a proper manner, and we need to be very safe and sound. एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के बारे में हमने बात की. व्हाट वाज दैट कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी? द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी वाज अखंड गांव. क्या था? अखंड गांव. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अनदर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी. थर्ड एमएलए स्टार्ट इज स्टैंडिंग एंड ही इज सेइंग, पहली कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी थी अखंड गांव, द नेक्स्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी इज टोल पट्टी. क्या है? टोल पट्टी. These all are the name of the places. Again, I am telling you, don't get confused. The name of the places are there. You start looking for the word meaning. No, don't look for the word meaning. This is a place. तो टोल पट्टी में क्या हुआ, सीरियस शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर, पानी की कमी बहुत ज़्यादा है. सो यू नीड, इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग प्रॉपर वाटर, अगर आपके पास बहुत अच्छे से पानी है तो यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट वाटर. अच्छे से स्पेंड करना है, बहुत ध्यान से पानी को खर्च करना चाहिए, पानी को बर्बाद करना चाहिए. बर्बादी तो बिल्कुल नहीं करना चाहिए. वीमेन ट्रैवल अप टू 3 to 4 kilometers टू कलेक्ट वाटर. इमेजिन how tough the life situations might be, and how many tankers have been put into service or supply water. मतलब लोगों के पास पानी की कमी है तो कितने लोगों को यहाँ पे पानी की अवेलेबिलिटी के लिए लगाया गया है. हाउ मेनी वेल्स एंड पोन्ड्स हैव बीन क्लीन्ड एंड डिसइंफेक्टेड. कुआं है, तालाब है, कभी कभी वहाँ का पानी जो है वो कंटेमिनेट हो जाता है, it gets polluted. So what efforts have been taken by the government to stop this pollution, this and cleanse this polluted water. पानी अगर pollute हो गया है तो how this water would be clean? That is the major question that the third MLA is asking. Now the fourth MLA stands. तीन लोगों ने बोल दिया. Now the fourth person will stand and he will speak. Now he is saying, I think he is from the ruling party. I think my colleagues are exaggerating the problem. So till now, the person who is in the government or the health minister who is there, he was listening to the allegations. जितने भी इल्जाम लगाए जा रहे थे वो चुपचाप मुंह बंद करके वो सारा सुन रहे थे. And now he is answering the question. He is saying the government has taken steps to control this situation. कि गवर्नमेंट अपना काम कर रही है. वाटर टैंकर्स हैव बीन पुट इनटू सर्विस. पानी के टैंकर्स लगा दिए गए हैं. वाटर अवेलेबिलिटी इज देयर. देयर इज नो क्राइसिस ऑफ वाटर. ORS packets are being distributed. Children, what happens when diarrhea is there? When people suffer from diarrhea, then these packets are distributed. ये नमक चीनी का पानी होता है जिसमें शरीर में अगर पानी की कमी हो गई है तो it could be solved, it could be cured. पानी की कमी शरीर में पूरी हो जाती है when you take this ORS का घोल. ORS का जो सॉल्यूशन होता है, when the intake is there, when you drink this ORS, तो वाटर तो योर प्रॉब्लम ऑफ वाटर, पानी की कमी जो है शरीर में कम हो जाती है. एंड गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग एवरीथिंग पॉसिबल टू हेल्प द पीपल. ही इज आंसरिंग. MLA 5 says, all these people are discussing these things in the legislative assembly. This is the scenario of the legislative assembly. Got it, children? सो ही सेइंग वी हैव वेरी पुअर फैसिलिटीज़ इन आवर हॉस्पिटल्स. वो कह रहे हैं हॉस्पिटल्स में बिल्कुल भी पीने का पानी वानी नहीं है. वहाँ पे हॉस्पिटल्स दैट आर देयर, दे डू नॉट हैव इवन डॉक्टर्स. सम हॉस्पिटल्स आर देयर वेयर डॉक्टर्स आर लैकिंग and medical staff has been appointed for. No medical staff is there for the last few years. Then he's saying that another hospital is there, a doctor has gone on a long leave. Means doctors are there but doctors are not doing their work properly and efficiently. ठीक से डॉक्टर्स काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. सो वी नीड टू कीप अ चेक ऑन द वर्क ऑफ दीज डॉक्टर्स. दूसरा हॉस्पिटल में क्या है, डॉक्टर हैज गॉन ऑन अ लॉन्ग लीव. कि डॉक्टर तो हैं लेकिन डॉक्टर बहुत लंबी छुट्टी पे चले गए हैं. तो व्हाट आर द डॉक्टर्स डूइंग व्हेन सच अ क्राइसिस इज गोइंग ऑन? Why the doctors are not taking care of the people who are falling ill so frequently? जो लगातार बीमार पड़ रहे हैं उनकी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं डॉक्टर्स? तो दिस इज अ शेम. द पीपल हु आर क्वेश्चनिंग, दे आर रेजिंग दिस क्वेश्चन कि ये बहुत शर्म की बात है दैट पीपल आर फॉलिंग इल and doctors have gone on a long leave. So how are we going to ensure? Who will ensure? ये कौन ensure करेगा कि ORS packets reach all families in the affected areas? ये जो ORS का पैकेट है ये हर जगह पे हर एक रोगी को मिल रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा है, इसको हु विल बी चेकिंग? Got it, children? So this was all the situation that was being discussed here. Thank you, children, and all the best to you.